I have on the program a safety brief and probably a final brief for...
But I'm glad that you're giving your time, that you are dedicating your life to the people of this country. Because all of us, me as a politician, you as members of the military forces, as civil servants, our job in this country is to serve the people of this country. That is our number one job. We serve this country, we give our lives. We go out there and we make a difference in people's lives. We thank the government of New Zealand for what it is providing. It gives us an opportunity to make a difference in somebody's life. What you're doing, you're representing me, you're representing the Prime Minister, you're representing all of us as you go into the Lau Islands and make sure you deliver your service to the very best of your ability. That's what you are called to do. You are put in this chair. Before you are born, somebody knew that you'll be sitting in this chair here today to do a service for the people of this country. So I pray that you will go with God's blessing, you will do your job to the level that is required for the utmost, for the satisfaction of the people of this country. So thank you once again, High Commissioner, and for all of you, may we have a successful trip in the pursuit of providing satisfaction for the people of our country. God bless us all.